every night till we get along. Made a covenant with some of the blood that still speaks. Now I'm forgiven, now hope I'm not your side. There on the cross of Calvary, you gave it all to purchase me. You are the Savior and the God who set me free. Now my heart knows this is my redeemed. Come on and lift up our hands. With my whole life, I will give you praise. Oh, glory to the one who's worthy. Because of Jesus, I have been changed. You made a way for me to enter into your holiness forever. And I will be by your power and yes, until life is you transform me, making